to the ITSM Practice Podcast.
Welcome to the ITSM Practice. I'm Luigi Ferri. What if I told you that most IT asset registers and service maps are lying to us? Not because anyone meant to deceive, but because the world changed and our models didn't? Today's episode dives into a structured shift, aligning BIAN Service Domains with ITIL 4 Service Value System to move from static inventories to active capability governance. It's technical, yes, but it's also philosophical because it changes how we define control, value, and ownership in IT. Let's start with the basics. What is BIAN and what are service domains? BIAN stands for Banking Industry Architecture Network. It provides a standardized vendor-neutral architectural framework for banking services. At its core are service domains, discrete functional building blocks like customer onboarding, fraud detection, loan servicing. Each domain is mutually exclusive, no overlap with other domains, collectively exhaustive. Together, they cover all banking operations, externally callable, meaning they interact via defined service calls like APIs. Think of them as Lego blocks for banking functionality. Their purpose? To shift the focus from technology systems to capabilities that deliver value. How ITIL 4 complements BIAN? Now enter ITIL 4, the globally adopted service management framework. While BIAN defines what a bank should be able to do, ITIL 4 explains how to govern it, operate it, improve it. ITIL Service Value System includes the service value chain, plan, engage, design and transition, etc. Practices like service configuration management, portfolio management, governance and continual improvement loops. So when BIAN gives us the capability model, ITIL gives us the value model. Together, they form a complete map from business intent to technical execution. Capability ownership. This is a new layer of accountability. Traditional configuration management databases track systems, servers, and assets, but they often miss the question: who is responsible for the value this configuration creates? The proposed model replaces that with capability-based ownership. Capability-based ownership. Business owner sets strategy and ensures value. Service owner maintains quality of delivery. Delivery owner builds and adapts the supporting technology. Data owner ensures correct and secure information flow. This ties directly into ITIL's 4 hierarchy structures and emphasizes outcome governance over technical ownership. Why banks and others need composable architectures? BIAN enables what's known as composable banking, breaking the monolith into adaptable API-driven blocks. Beyond the speed lies the real advantage: resilience under pressure. In regulated sectors, rules change fast, risk must be traceable, services must adapt without re-architecting everything. BIAN service domains allow you to plug and play new capabilities, and ITIL ensures that each one is governed, supported, and improved. This matches ISO 20000 goals as well: service clarity, evidence of control, and continual value creation. Now, Mapping service domains to the ITIL value chain. Here is where educational depth becomes essential. For every BIAN service domain, you should ask, where does this fit in the value chain? Plan, deliver, improve? Which practice is supported? Like for example, change enablement, service request management, etc. What KPIs define its performance? Let's take customer product management, a BIAN domain, as example. It may involve engage to gather customer feedback, design a transition to improve offerings, improve to retire underperforming products. It connects to ITIL practices like portfolio management and business relationship management. KPIs might include NPS, time to market, or churn rate. By educating IT teams in this mapping, they move from task execution to service stewardship. Now, we have a dual-track governance, agile plus control. Modern IT operates in dual tracks: agile discovery, fast, iterative, MVP-driven; controlled delivery, stable, audit-ready, low risk. BIAN and ITIL together allow you to split governance logic. Use BIAN to define what services and capabilities exist. Use ITIL4 to decide how each is designed, deployed, and governed. This is critical in large organizations where a one-size-fits-all delivery model would collapse under scale or regulations. The real world. In a capability mapping session, I saw an IT operation leader go silent. He stared at the visual map showing our service connected to 6 others. Then he said, I never seen what I do laid out like this. Not as tasks, but as a contribution. That is the value combining BIAN and ITIL. It gives people a clear role in delivering outcomes, not just completing tasks. It educates through clarity, not complexity. To apply this in your organization, first, pick one high-value service like customer account opening. Second, identify its BIAN service domain. Third, map it to the ITIL value chain activities it touches. Fourth, assign business, service, and data owners. Fifth, track improvement using capability KPIs, not just SLAs. Last one, educate the teams. Show them the why, not just the what. Thank you. This was the ITSM practice. I'm Luigi Ferri. Until next time, build architecture that teaches, govern services that deliver. Arrivederci.